Welcome to Tech Solution. Resetting wireless router password. 1. Disconnect the Ethernet cable. Start the reset process by disconnecting the Ethernet cable connecting the wireless router and the modem. Do it carefully. Otherwise, you will end up damaging the ports on the devices, and if that happens, then reconnecting the networking devices will become very hard for you. 2. Hit the reset button on router. Locate the reset button. The placement of the reset button may differ. On some devices, it is placed at the back panel, and on some, it is on the side panel. Once you find it, put a paper clip to use for pressing it. Three. Observe the router LED lights. Once you have pressed the reset button, hold on for about 10 seconds. This will give enough time to your networking device to reset. After a while, you will see that the LED light is flashing or blinking. This is your indication that you need to release the button. 4. Reboot the Wi-Fi router. At last, you ought to disconnect the router from the electrical outlet and keep it unplugged for more than 30 seconds. Once the given time runs out, plug the Linksys wireless router back into its wall socket. Soon the power LED light will become green. This signifies that your networking device has gotten powered on properly. Thanks for watching.